Imagine you have visited to a grocery shop near you and you have remembered the things which you want to purchase from that grocery shop in your mind. Pizza, milk, fruit and bread. But after 5 minutes you have toothpaste and shampoo in your hand. How does this happen? At that time your brain stops storing the item what you have planned for. But in Python case this will never happen because a Python list is used to store multiple items all in one place. That means a Python list is used to store multiple items in a single variable. And if you want to know what a variable is in detail, I do have a Python variable video available on my YouTube channel. Please go and have a refer them. As I said, a Python list is used to store multiple items in a single variable. Like what we have a fruit, a single variable which holds 3 items in it: banana, apple and cherry. These are 3 different fruits names having covered within the square bracket used with a single variable fruit. Meaning fruits is a list which contains 3 items. If you want to display what items are available in fruits list, then you have to use the print option. Print option is to display your result. So just run from it here and you have apple's item as a result: apple, banana, cherry. This is not restricted to have only the text type of items in a list. You can have a number type of, you can have floating type, you can have boolean type, and you can have no type of data also, like none. And now you're gonna print here by running there. You have all the items in a single variable. That is, fruits is a list which contains 3 to 5 or 8 items. This is the simple definition of list. Now the first scenario is, if I have a list, then how to access them? How to access a specific item or the number of items from the existing list? Let's come there. Now if you want to access any item, like what want to show apple only, so then you have to place here with index number 0. What index number is? Index number is the position where an item is located. So apple is at 0, banana at 1, cherry at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everything starts from 0 in Python. Now if I go list with 0 index number item and now I run it from here, you have apple as an, because you want to page only 0 index item. If you want to have none, then you have to give here 7 and then you print here, you have none. You can also use the negative index number like -1 and run it. This is also a none. -1, that means from the right side, or +1, that from the left side. So positive moves from left to right, negative moves from right to left. This is not only a one item to be accessed. You can access a multiple item at once. Like I start to 3, like that. What this says? This says in fruit list we start from 0 and go till 3. That means from 0, please find 3 items. Let's print here, run it. You have apple, banana and cherry. There are 3 items. You define here to find it here. And this indicates from 0. Or if you want to start from -1. So start from 3, go till -1 and then print it here. You have start from 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 and go till -1. So this is not will show till here show. So this is the result. This is what we have as a result. So this is the way to access the item from all this. Now what I want to add few items into the existing. So first delete, only have the fruits name. Now what I want to add few items here, because list is ordered. You cannot change their order. Apple is at 0 position, always be at 0 position. Banana is at 1 position, 1, that means at 1 index number, is always be at 1 index number, and same for the rest of the item what we have in that list. but you can change the item. Change the item, that means you can modify the item like adding, removing, deleting, clearing. You can do that, and it allowed to have a duplicate item like what we have apple. If I want again apple, then we can have. And now print, you have no error, you have apple here and you have apple here. First apple is at 0 position and the last apple is at -1 position. You can have duplicate apple, you can have duplicate item, you can change the item, you can modify the item of a list, but you can't change the definition. That means at which position any item is defined, you cannot change their order. Now I want to add few items here. So for that, what is my list name? Fruits, and I'm going to append method to be used here, and I'm going to add orange here into the existing list. That means what we have apple, banana, cherry and apple, and orange going to be added here. Now let's run this. We have orange here. Let's clear the terminal. Now if you want to add more item, then you go to add again, append, grape. Now run this, you have grape also. This way you can add the item. There is another method to add the item, and that method is insert. Fruit, insert, add kiwi. Fruit, insert, add kiwi. This is what append method I have used, and now insert method I am going to use. This is the location, index number. I am going to add a kiwi item. That means in fruits we have 4 items and 2 items added using the append method, and using the insert method at 1 position. This is banana at 1 position. You can't change the order. You going to add kiwi. So at banana position, kiwi get added and banana move 1 step towards right. Now let's run this. Now you can see apple where we have banana at 1 position. Now we have kiwi at that position, and banana just move towards right 1 step, and now we have kiwi added. So this way, by appending or inserting, you are going to adding the. This is what the addition of the item into the existing list. Now what I want to remove few items from here. Now using the remove method. So just run it. We have removed apple. You can see there is no apple now. Now this is the one method of removing. Another method is fruit pop. Fruit pop. And now I'm going to use print method here. What pop means? Pop is going to delete the item, but from the last, because within the round bracket, I haven't given any index number, so it will delete it. Item get deleted, but from the last, and my last is grape. Now let's run it. We don't have grape at last now, and we don't have grape anymore in that source list. If you place any index number at 0, then at 0 we have apple, is get deleted. Now let's run this. You can see apple is gone. Start from kiwi till grape. And there is another deleting the item, fruits clear. This way you are going to clear all the items from the list. I am going to clear an item from the list. using the clear. So just comment it and now run it. Now you have only the square bracket with no items inside. What happened? Clear. Clear method is used to clear all the items, whatever there, only leaving the structures. So this is still a list, but there is no item inside it because clear method clear all the items available in that list. So just I want to have because I have to show so many examples and different methods. That's why I remove that line so that items should be available. So you have seen how to insert by appending, inserting, how to remove using remove, pop, tail, clear. Now what I want to have a merging of lists. That means joining multiple lists. Let's comment all things and have a list 1 as 1 to 3, list 2 is 3. And now what I want in list 1, whatever item we have 1 to 3, I am going to extend with list 2, 4, 5, 6 with a single line. So just run it. We have now print list 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the item of list 1 and item of list 2 both get merged in a single list, and that list is list 1. Because I use extend. Extend, that means whatever items we have in list 1, please extend with list 2, and list 2 item gets added from the last one here. So this way you can merge two lists. You can have merge multiple lists here. You can also, this is the first method. Now what I want to have a list 3 equal list 1 plus list 2 and then print list 3. This way you're gonna also merge your data. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And list 1 is already extended. That's why we have 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to just comment it. And now you're gonna run here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So multiple lists get merged during through this way. So these are the merging of options. Now just select all deleted and let's start with the sorting of data. Suppose I have list 1 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Now what I want list 1 sort and then print list 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it is in the same way it is originally. But what I want it in reverse order, in descending order. Then you have to write here reverse equal true and then run it. You have 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There is another method to use list 1 reverse and then print list 1. You also have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there are two methods of sorting of items of a list in Python. Now there another list. I want to have a copy of list 1. So list 2 equal list 1 copy and then want to show the list 2. List 2 we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The same item what we have with list 1. So this way you have a copy. Now I want to clear. Now I want to have what data type of this list. So print type of list 1 or list 2, whatever. Just run it. You have class list because you are using the list and data types are the list. The item data type may be different, but the list data type is. Now I'm going to delete the entire list. So you have to give delete list. You can delete a single by using index number like 0 what we using at for 5, and then you gonna run it. You have 4 3 2 1 because at 0 position we had 5, and if you want to delete entire list then you just write this no index number and then run it. You have deleted all the list and you want to search the list one, it is not available because the name list one is not defined. Why? Because you have deleted, and deleted things never back unless until you create again. That's why this message is showing. So you have seen so many examples of all the list methods in Python, and you understand carefully that a list is used to show multiple items within the list, and you can add the items, you can remove the item using the extended, using delete, using inserting, you can remove it, you can merge it, multiple lists, join a list. I hope this video looks you informative. Hit the subscribe button and share this video whosoever you know, and stay updated with my channel and the upcoming next video. Bye bye.